Now this 2-year-old Nadia Lee is still missing after police say her mother was murdered. Tonight, court records reveal new details about what may have led to all of this. Grace White joins us now with what she's been able to find. Grace?
Even before Nadia Lee was born, court records show her family had problems. Both her parents spent the last few years in and out of the Harris County Jail, and at one point her mother even writing a judge begging for help.
There's typically a history. It's a cycle.
As Houston police try to find missing 2-year-old Nadia Lee, court records reveal what was happening at home years before.
I think it's really easy for us to look at that and say, wow, like we missed a lot, but we did.
The little one's mother, Nancy Reed, was strangled to death. Houston police arrested the girl's father, Jiron Lee, for murder, but it was him who called authorities. He told them he was trying to keep Reed from harming their children. Domestic violence cases Michelle Sachs with the Houston Area Women's Center says can be challenging to investigate.
There was a lot of nuances to what was happening, and not just on that particular day, but again, there was a long history there.
According to court records, both parents have spent the last few years in and out of the Harris County Jail. The father convicted on minor offenses like theft and giving an officer a false report. But on the mother's record, there is a history of family violence. After an Amber Alert was issued for her and one of her children in 2018, Reed was convicted of aggravated assault on that child, and a protective order was filed against her. It was a different child than the one currently missing. Later that year, court records show the mom sent this letter to the judge asking for help, saying the accusations were false, that she was currently pregnant and suffering from postpartum depression.
It is heartbreaking, it really is. My heart is just broken in half.
Both the mother's family and the father's family have spoken to KHOU 11, praying for the 2-year-old's safe return.
We just really don't want to believe that she is gone.
HPD homicide detectives are now involved in the search for Nadia.
Children is one of the big barriers to leaving. Again, in this situation, there was 5 kids. We don't want to see kids hurt by any means, so I think that's another reason to try to help.
Help advocates say this case is a reminder of why more resources are needed. Grace White, KHOU 11 News.
Another hard story. We know this is an incredibly difficult topic to hear and see, especially for survivors of abuse. If you or someone you know needs help, you can call any of these organizations on the screen. We also have these numbers and links at KHOU.com.